How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. So if your Facebook Messenger is not working, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. So first check your internet connection, and even after having the internet connection, if your Facebook Messenger doesn't work, then the first thing you need to do is open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and then go for see all apps, and open up your messenger application. And after opening your messenger, now you can go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache. And after clearing all of your cache on your messenger, now you can simply remove that from your background. And the next way to fix that issue is to update your application. So you can simply open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and then search for messenger. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your application. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall your messenger application, and then you can again install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then you can log into your account. Or you can also clear your storage and then you can log into your account. But if you don't remember your login information and if you don't remember your password, then don't tap on clear storage. But if you want to clear your storage, then you can simply go for messenger and then hold on that, and you will have app info. Tap on that and then go for storage and cache, and here on the left side you will have clear storage option. So you can simply tap on clear storage and then you can log into your account again. So that might fix your problem. And the last fix is to simply restart your device. So hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right corner you will have that restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.